Diamagnetic materials of magnetic properties of materials. In 1845, Michael Faraday put forth the idea that all the substances are affected by magnets. According to the behavior of the substance in the magnetic fields, they are classified as dia, para, and ferromagnetic materials. Diamagnetic substances is the diamagnetic substances are repelled by the magnet, copper, silver, water, gold, antimony, bismuth, mercury, quartz, and diamond are some of the examples of diamagnetic substances. They are magnetized freely in the opposite direction to the applied external magnetic field. When substance in the uniform magnetic field, it comes to rest in the perpendicular direction of the magnetic field. The diamagnetism does not depend upon the temperature and does not obey Curie's law. When it is kept in the non-uniform magnetic field, it moves from the region of greater field to the region of the less field strength. Hence, the susceptibility is negative and small. The magnetic lines of force passing through these substances are less than those in vacuum, so the magnetic lines of force according to the diamagnetic liquid is taken in a U-tube and arranged so that one of the limbs in the uniform magnetic field, the liquid in the limb is disposed. The atoms of the diamagnetic substance do not have resultant magnetic moment. When diamagnetic liquid is taken as a watch glass and placed over the magnetic poles, which are nearer as field is strong at the midpoint, the liquid gets dispersed. When the poles are separated to a longer distance, the liquid rises up the strongest place, permeability less than 1. Paramagnetic material. Let us discuss paramagnetic material. These materials weakly attracted by magnet. When paramagnetic material suspended in a uniform magnetic field, when paramagnetic substance rotates so to bring their longest axis along the direction of wave. When a sample of paramagnetic liquid is put U-tube and strong magnetic field is applied across one of the two limbs, the level of liquid rises. This proves moment paramagnetic liquid from weaker to stronger parts of the field. When a paramagnetic substance places in a magnetic field, the magnetic fields proper to pass through the substance. It shows that the magnet induction inside the sample greater than the magnetic induction outside the sample. The paramagnetic material, the susceptibility is positive and small, and relative permeability is less than or greater than 1. Ferromagnetic material. Magnetism is attractive phenomena exhibit magnet is called magnetism. The net magnetic moment is very strong attraction, the magnetic lines of force. The magnetism is very strong attraction. The magnetic lines, south pole and north pole, from the magnetic lines of force direction. So, ferromagnetic substance like iron, cobalt, and nickel, the magnetized domains arrange with a attraction of magnetic field direction. So, the iron is very strong attraction particle and susceptibility is positive and high value. The relative permeability is mu r is very much greater than 1, and the domains is the arrangement with the Attraction of magnetic field direction. The magnetic lines of force very strong attraction to the magnetic field direction. It is called ferromagnetic materials.